In order to select the columns of a pandas data frame based on their data type, we use the Pandas Select Dtypes method. The Select Dtypes method has two possible parameters, include and exclude, that specifies based on which data types we want to include or exclude columns from our data frame. The Select Dtypes method will always return a data frame containing the subset of columns filtered using the parameters include and exclude. Note that we need to pass at least one of the two parameters, and they're not allowed to have overlapping elements. To select all numeric types, we can either pass number or numpy number. To select all strings, we must use the object dtype. To select datetimes, we can either use numpy datetime64 or the strings datetime or datetime64. To select time deltas, we either use numpy time delta 64 or the strings time delta or time delta 64. To select pandas categorical data types, we simply use category, and to select datetimes with time zone, we simply use the string datetime tz or datetime 64 ns-tz. Let's see some examples. We first create a data frame with 3 columns A, B, C and 6 rows from 0 to 5. We can select only the boolean columns, in this case B, by simply calling select dtypes with the parameter include equal to the string bool. To select all floating point columns, in this case column C, we call select dtypes with the parameter include, to which we pass a list containing the string float64. Finally, if we want to exclude all the integer columns, we simply call select dtypes exclude equal list containing the string int64, in which case column A will be eliminated and the method will return a data frame containing only column B, which is boolean, and column C, which is float. If you found this video series useful, please don't hesitate to hit that like button. It will really help me a lot. If you want to stay up to date with my future videos, please subscribe to the channel so you can get notified whenever I release new videos. Thank you.